So hello students, today we are going to learn here types of functions. Okay, so in the first year you learned that types of functions here: identity functions, constant function, polynomial function, okay, rational function, signum function, greatest integer functions. All these functions you learned in the PUC first year. In the second year again there are some types of functions. Okay, so that first one is called here one function, or it is also called what here injective function. Okay, so what is called now here one function, or it is a injective function. So see here, if you are making a function between the two sets, suppose set A to the set B, then different elements of A are having different images in the B. Got? Different elements of A are having different images in B. No element should have a common image. No element should have a common image. Then the function is what called here one function. If they have a common image, then it is not called a one function. Okay, let's see one example for this. Okay, so suppose A set is here and sector B is there. Okay, and we are writing the elements here in the set A and set B. Okay, suppose this function from set A to the set B. So I'll write the numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, set A and set B is there. Okay, now let's write the function. So function I write here f of x as a x square. F of x as what here x square. Suppose if I want to write here f of 1, then it is what here 1 square. 1 square is what here 1. Means 1 is paired to the element 1. 1 is paired to the element what here 1. Okay, different elements of A should have different pairs in the B. Okay, now suppose f of 2 is what now here 2 square. F of 2 is what here 2 square. 2 square is what now here 4. 2 square is here 4. So 2 is paired with the 4. 2 is paired with the what here 4 element. Okay, now similarly if I want to find here f of 3 here, then what here 3 square. F of 3 is what here 3 square. 3 square is what now here 9. Suppose in this function 9 is there, then 3 is paired to the 9. Okay, 4 will pair the 16 and so on is there, no? So again numbers are there. Okay, so 4 is paired to the 16, 5 is paired to the 25 and so on. Okay, so 1 is having 1 image here, 2 is having 4, 3 is having 9 and so on. So different elements are having different images. Then this function is called what here one function. Okay, now one more thing is there. Okay, when it is given to prove that the function is 1. So how to show that the function is 1 here? So for that also there is one more rule here. What is rule here? Or okay, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that should imply what here x1 is equal to x2. The second definition is this. Okay, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, if it is implying x1 is equal to x2, means if I solve this and if I solve this, if x1 is coming equal to x2, then the function is called here one function. Okay, so then the function is called one function. So there are two definitions. First definition is what here different elements of A are having different images in the B, then the function is called here one function. Or suppose they ask to prove something about one function, then f of x1 is equal to f of x2. If I solve this and answer is coming x1 is equal to x2, then the function is called what one function. Got now here? So there are two definitions of one function. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second definition. Okay, now Now let's see the second type of function here. It's called what? Onto function. So what is called onto functions here? Every element in the set B is paired to the element in the set A. Every element in the set B is paired to the element in the set A. Then the function is called what here? Onto function. Okay, means for example here, okay, suppose I am drawing here f of a to the function b. Okay, set A to the set B is here. Okay, now okay, 1 2 3 4 and so on, 1 2 3 4 and so on. Okay, so when this function is called onto here, so I told here every element in the set B is paired to the any element in the set A. Then the function is called what here? Onto function. Okay, means here 1 should be paired. Okay, here 2 should be paired, here 3 should be paired, here 4 should be paired. All the elements should be paired here. Then the function is called what here? Onto function. Okay, means suppose 4 is not paired, 5 is paired, 5 is paired. Then the function is not called onto because 4 is not paired here. Okay, so the condition is what? All the elements should be paired. Then the function is called what here? Onto function. For 5. Okay, yes. Therefore, all the elements in the set B are paired. Then the function is called what here? Onto function. Or it is also called what here? Range. In the first year you have discussed that range means what? All the paired elements from the second set. All the paired elements from the second set is called what here? Range. So 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, then see that every element is coming, then range is what here? Set B. Okay, range is what here? Set B. If range is the set B, second set, then the function is called what here? Onto. Second set means what? All the elements are paired here. So therefore range is what here? Second set. Then the function is called here onto function. Okay, so one more definition is there for this onto function, that is what here? Or suppose f of x, if you solve, after solving f of x, if you are getting the answer y, okay, if f of x is the function here, if you solve that and if your answer is coming y, then the function is called what here? Onto function. Clear? Okay, so there are two definitions now here. What? The function is called onto function if all the elements in the second set are paired to any element in the first set. Okay? Or range is what here? Second set. Range is called here second set, then function is called onto function. Okay? Or f of x is equal to y, then the function is called onto. Okay? Now let's see the next type of function is called here one-to-one onto function, or it is also called what here? Bijective function. So when the function is called one-to-one onto or bijective function, okay, if the function is one-to-one also and onto also, if the same function is one-to-one, if the same function is onto, then the function is called what here? One-to-one function or onto function, or it is called here one-to-one onto function. It is also called what here? Bijective function. Now let's see example here when the function is called bijective. Okay. Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now A set and B set. Okay. Now see here for 1 is image. For 2 is image, for 3 image, for 4 image, for 5 image. Now, if this function is 1, 1, what is 1, 1 here? Every element should have different images. 1 is having 1 image, 2 is having 2 images, 3 is having 3, 4 is having 4, 5 is having 5. Means everybody is having different images, then the function is called 1, 1. Onto means what? Every element should be paired or not? In the second set, every element is paired to any element in the set A. So every element is paired here, therefore the function is called onto also. So this function is what here? 1 1 also, and this function is what here? Onto also. Then the function is called what here? Bijective function or 1 1 onto function. Here, if the function is both 1 1 also and onto also, then the function is called what here? 1 1 onto function or bijective function. Okay. Now let's see example how to prove that the function is 1 1 and how to prove that the function is onto. So here function is given here f of x is equal to x square. Then prove that the function is 1 1 and the onto. Prove that the function is 1 1 and the onto. So that's why the sets are not given here. If the sets are not given, take note how to prove here. Apply the definition number 2. Okay. So I will prove now here the function is what here 1 1 function. Okay. Now f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Okay. If answer is coming, if I solve this and if answer is coming x1 is equal to x2, then the function is called what here 1 1 function. Okay. Now let's see f of x is what here x square. So f of x1 is x1 square. Okay, and f of x2 is what here? X2 square. Yes, f of x is the x square. If it is x1, x1 square. If it is x2, x2 square. Now taking square root both the sides. Taking square root here of x1 square. Taking square root of what here? X2 square. Okay, now taking square root of x1 square. Square and root get cancelled here. What remains? X1 will remain here, and here the square root cancels here. What remains? X2 will remain here. So we are getting here x1 is equal to x2 or not. If I solve this and answer is coming what here? X1 is equal to x2. Then the function what here? Then the function f is what here? 1 1 function. Okay. Then the function f is what here? 1 1. Clear? How to prove the function is called here 1 1. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, after solving, if it is coming x1 is equal to x2, then the function is called here 1 1 function. Okay. Now let's see about second one, onto function. Onto function. So I told here if f of x is coming equal to y, then the function is called what here? Onto function. So let's see here, f of x is given there, it's x square. So first of all, find the value of x here. Find the value of x, correct? So f of x you take here as a y and x square as this. F of, when you are finding the value of x here, take f of x as a y. Now I want to find the value of x, not x square. So I want to convert this into x here. To convert this into x here, taking square root both sides. So square root of y, square root of what here? X square. Okay. Now square root of y is equal to square and root cancels x. So the value of x we got how much here? X is the root y. The value of x we got here root y. Now next then solve again f of x. Solve again f of x. If f of x is coming equal to y, then the function is called here onto function. Okay. Now let's put the value of x here. X is what? X is the root y. X is here root y x square. Root y x square. So square and root will get here cancelled. Then the answer is what here? Y. Answer is what here? Y. So f of x is coming equal to y or not? F of x is coming equal to here y. Then the function is called here onto function. Then what here? Then the function f is onto. Okay. So we got here f of x is equal to y. Then the function is here onto, and we got here f of x1 is equal to f of x2. After solving this, we got here x1 is equal to x2. Then the function is here 1. If solving this answer is coming x1 square x2, then the function is the 1 1. After solving this, if answer is coming y, then the function is called here 1. So function is what here 1 1 also, and the function is the on 2 also, then the function is called what here bisective function. If the function is a 1 1, if the function is on 2, then the function is called what here bisective function. Okay. Now let's see the next point. Okay, so next point is what here composition of a function. So what is called now composition here? So composition is what now here we are mixing the two functions. Mixture of two functions is called what here composition. When we mix two functions here, that is called what here composition. So how to do the mixture of two functions? Let's see by one example. Okay. Example is what? Suppose f of x is given here x square and g of x is given here cos x. F of x is given here x square, g of x is given here cos x. Let's do their composition. Okay, so let's see here first one f composition g. This dot is called what here composition. Notice change what here dot. Small round is there. It is called a composition. So f composition g. Which variable is over here? For g, x is there. So for g, there is a x variable. F composition g for the x variable. Okay, because there is a x variable for g. Okay. Now, when you are solving this composition, f you write as it is. Method is not just see clearly. F is as it is. In the bracket you write here g of x. Okay. See clearly how I am doing here. M I am keeping as it is, g of x you write in a bracket. Okay. Now f as it is. What is g of x now here? The value of g of x is the cos x. The value of g of x is what here? Cos x. So where g of x is there, write there cos x. Okay. Now f of x, no, the function is what here? F of x. So f of x, that means the value of x is what? Cos x. The value of x is what here? Cos x. But f of x function is what? F of x function is the x square. So f of x function is what here? X square. F of x function is what here? X square. So, but we got the value of x is what here? Cos x. So where x is there, no, write there cos x. Where x is there, write there cos x. It's a square. Okay, means here f of x is x square. X square is what here? Cos x. So cos x, it's a square. Cos x square is what here? Cos square x. So it's what here? Cos square x. So f composition g for the variable x is what here? Cos square x. Got how to do with f composition g? Similarly, we can do for the g composition f also. Similarly, we can do for what here? G composition f. Now let's see how to do here g composition f. Okay. So g composition f, for f again what is the variable here? X is the variable. So I will write here x. Okay. Now see here, okay, g composition f of x. So this is the sign for composition. Small circle. Okay. Now here again g keep as it is, same method. Okay, g keep as it is, and f of x write in a bracket. Now g keep as it is, f of x write in a bracket. Okay. Now g is as it is. The f of x is what? F of x is the x square. F of x is what here? X square. So where f of x is there, write x square. Now g of x function is there, no? G of which function is there? X function is there. That means the value of x is the x square. That means what here? The value of x is the x square. So g of x is what? G of x is here cos x. G of x is what here? Cos x. So I'll write here what? Cos x. G of x is the cos x. Okay. But what is the value of x here? The value of x is the x square. The value of x is what here? X square. So where x is there, no, right there x square. X square. Clear? So therefore G composition f of x is what here? Cos of x square. Clear? How to do your composition? Okay, so see, compare both now here. See here, f composition G is what? F is here, G of x in bracket. Okay, G of x is what here? Cos x. F of x is what here? X square. The value of x is what? Cos x means cos x square means cos square x. Okay, now see, if you see that G is in side here, f of x in bracket. F of x is what here? X square. G of x is what? Cos x. Where x is there, write the x square. So here also see, where x is there, write a cos x. And here where x is there, no, write the x square. Its value. So when you are putting the final value where x is there, no, write the value from the bracket. Clear? So both are called what here? Composition of a function. This is the f composition G. This is the G composition f. Clear? Yes. Now let's see one more example of what here? One more example of what? Composition of a function. So how do your composition of function? I already explained there. Let's see one more example. Okay. F of x is now here. Suppose x is to 1 by 3 and g of x is given here 8x cube. Okay. F of x is what here? X is to 1 by 3. G of x is what here? 8x cube. Okay. Now what we are doing here? We are doing what? It's a composition. We are doing what here? It's a composition. Okay. Now f composition G of x. F composition what here? G of x. Okay. Now f is as is. G of x is in a bracket. F is as is what here? G of x is in a bracket. Okay. Now f G of x is what here? G of x is the 8x cube. Okay, so I'll write what? G of x is what here? 8x cube. Okay, now G of x is the 8x cube. I wrote there, but function is what? F of x. Function is what here? F of x. F of x is what? F of x is the x raised to 1 by 3. So I'll write here f of x is what here? X raised to 1 by 3. F of x is what here? X raised to 1 by 3. But what is the value of x here? The value of x is what now? 8x cube. The value of x is here 8x cube. Where x is there, write 8x, it's the cube. Value of x. It's raised to what here? 1 by. Okay? 8x cube. Okay, is the value of x here. Its power is what now here? 1 by. Okay? Now, see that 8x cube raised to 1 by 3 is there. So that means what? 8 raised to 1 by 3 into x cube raised to what here? 1 by 3. Means 8's power is what here? 1 by 3. And x cube power is what here? 1 by 3. Both are having 1 by 3 power commonly. Now 8 raised to 1 by 3 is there. Okay. Means what? Okay. Means here 8 I can write here 2 cube. 2 cube raised to what here? 1 by 3. Okay, 8 is what now here? 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube is what here? 8. Raised to 1 by 3. Now x cube raised to 1 by 3 is there. So if you multiply 3 into 1 by 3, 3 and 3 get here cancelled. If I just see here 3 into 1 by 3, 3 and 3 get cancelled. No here. Same thing. 3 into 1 by 3, 3 and 3 cancels. X raised to 1 is the x. X raised to 1 is what here? X. Now 2 cube raised to 1 by 3 is again here. So 3 into 1 by 3 again 3 into 1 by 3 is there. 3 and 3 will get here cancels. 2 raised to 1 is what here? 2. 2 raised to 1 is what here? 2. So what is the answer now here? Answer is what here? 2x. Answer is what here? 2x is the answer here. Clear? Yes? So see here. I'll write again here. 2 raised to 1 is a 2 and x. Okay, so f function g of x is what here? 2x. We got the answer here 2x. Okay, now let's see here g composition f of x. Okay, g composition f of x. Correct. So f composition g is over g composition f of x. Let's solve this. Okay. Now g is as it is, f of x is in a bracket. As I told you, G you keep as it is, this you write in a bracket. Okay, now see G, f of x is what? F of x is the x raised to 1 by 3. X raised to 1 by 3. Okay, now G of x, G of x is what? G of x is the 8x cube. G of x is what here? 8x cube. So I'll write here 8x cube. G of x is what here? 8x cube. Now 8 you keep as is. What is the value of x? The value of x is what? X raised to 1 by 3. The value of x is what here? G of x, no. So x is what? X raised to 1 by 3. So where x is there, no? Write here x raised to 1 by. Where x is there, write here x raised to 1 by 3. Its power is what here? 3. Its power is what here? 3. Now 8 keep as it is. 1 by 3 into 3, no? So 1 by 3 into 3 if you multiply, again 3 and 3 will get here cancelled. 1 by 3 into 3, again I told no, 1 by 3 into 3, okay, 3 and 3 get here cancelled. So same way here, okay, 3 and 3 get cancelled, x raised to 1 is the x. Okay, so therefore G composition f of x is what here? 8x. Got? So where x is there, put the value of x, okay, and cancel 3 and 3, answer is what here? 8x. So G composition f of x is the 8x, and f composition G of x is what here? 2x. Okay, this is called what here? Composition of two functions. Okay.